Hello everyone! It's a new week, a new vlog, and after 125 days of quarantine, we're finally down to our last week. We have kimchi gongchi. This is kimchi that's been 1 or 2 years old, so it's called 묵은 kimchi, and gongchi is basically mackerel pike. That's breakfast.
What kind of fish?
It's mangus fish.
No!
Mangus?
Mangus
Mangus?
fish. Kung kimchi.
엄마 양경 보여. I mean, masarap ba yung bangus?
Siyempre.
Hindi siya bangus. It's called gongchi.
Kunchi kimchi.
Yeah, good job. Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
Mamanya, alin ang gusto mo? Amen. Isda o limpo?
My emo came and she dropped us more stuff in supplies. Like we aren't already full. You gotta know this. 다들 체온 차례. Oh, I'm sorry. Please don't judge my tucked in shirt. I'm cool, not a loser. Wanted to share the zucchini that my harmony grew. It's like a big fat baby zucchini. Because the zucchini I've seen in the Philippines, they're all like thin and longer, but this is like shorter and wider. So cute. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-brunch, and I have another aunt who recently finished quarantine because she came earlier from the Philippines, and she sent us chicken! More food! I love my family, but I'm just getting fat here. Help! Oh yes. We had to wait for the delivery guy to leave. Chicken, everyone! 치맥! 이거 닭발 아니야?
There is one story. 예전에 광고 봤어? 목불을 딱 하면서 나올 때 펩시 하면서 나오는 거. 그걸로 해서 이제 그걸 상상해서 김벌레를 사람들이 뗐대. 거기서 선정을 한 거야. 그래서 이렇게 된 거야. 펩시.
Mom, you're hungry. Make bio.
네, 배고파요. Okay, have you?
Chef! I'm chef to cook.
Oh, you're the chef.
Where's Daddy? Where's Dad?
Daddy is in the Philippines.
I want Philippines.
Gusto mo na bumalik?
Yes.
Ako
Siyempre.
rin. It's hot na.
It's hot now.
Yeah.
Where I put here?
Yes, put it there. Oh, diba?
Yes. See? I can do. Hi, Chef. Hi, Chef.
Good job, Amin.
You just shake. You just shake.
After that,
Shake.
kitchen And then look here.
Seewon, look at shake.
We're going to
Seewon, look.
go shake. Feeling chef ka talaga, ha?
Shake.
Okay, there. After that, you have to transfer all the chicken nuggets here, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Shake more.
Shake more. Good job.
Uy, lahat.
Do you have flour?
Bakit?
Flour.
Yeah.
Should I put more?
Yes.
Sige na nga. Put a little more. Okay, that's like way beyond half.
Yay!
Yay! Dinner! Hi! We just had dinner, but we're hungry again. So we're gonna make ramyeon! Thank you again to the city hall. Okay. Now, a trick I learned from my uncle is to put in the powder before the water boils so it boils faster. I actually don't know if what he says is right, but I just go with it. Why are you laughing? Hala, parang sobra yung tubig natin.
Okay, but it smells good.
Look at him. He's sweating and he's crying. Look at that sweat.
No, I'm not crying.
You're not crying?
Now you are. Seewon's crying.
I'm not.
No, you're not. You are. Hey, right up. Kami, no, right up.
Write it down.
Yeah. Kami is go back to Philippines. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Go right.
Lee Kangmin.
Go back to Philippines.
Go back to the Philippines.
Yes.
You wanna go back?
Also, Kuya, Seewon, also Mommy.
Everyone? You
Yeah.
want everyone to go back?
Mommy, go Philippines.
Now, you wanna start with animals? Your favorite animals, right?
Yeah.
Remember Ate Seewon said line?
Mommy go Philippines. Kuya go Philippines. Seewon go Philippines. Kami go Philippines. Don't eat ramyeon in Bihingi, okay?
Why?
It's bawal.
Why?
Because Kara,
Nah.
Banara, Farus. Tama. What?
Kangmin. Corona.
Kuna Farus.
Coronavirus. Bawal daw kumain ng ramyeon
Yan,
inside the plane.
No. Bihingi.
Okay, inside the PNG
Yeah.
because of the virus.
Yeah.
To be safe.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Kangmin. Thank you for the reminder. We're done with writing on the board. We're gonna try practicing writing on paper now, since he understands the concept. It's not that he can't spell or can't write, or that he's illiterate or anything like that. It's just it's just that I'm trying to improve his penmanship. Kangmin,
What?
tomorrow we can go out and play. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Wait. Outside?
Yeah, we can go out tomorrow.
What?
Yeah. Go. Yay. Go up. Hold my hand. Yay.
thank you so much again for watching and for being with us throughout our last week of quarantine. It's been especially hard on Kangmin to understand the whole situation of having to stay at home because he's a very adventurous kid and he loves to go out and just run around. But I think filming something so mundane like quarantine really made us appreciate quality time, and it made simple things like cleaning and eating so fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next vlog. Bye! Okay, I'm